guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the cragsters, Seismo, Shuft, and Crater. Okay, get ready guys. You see the cragsters are much like the... You see the cragsters, their element is stone. Unlike the fire type elements of the Infernites, they're stone. Anyways, when drawing Seismo, you just gotta draw his eye.
So I thank you for acting on the double, and also for taking so much trouble by inviting me alone. But to me this all feels wrong.
Okay, so Seismo's body is a bit round.
I'm gonna leave you in the dust.
Hello, where are you going?
Wherever I want to, mate. I'm a
Okay.
free spirit. I follow the sun. Give me my Independence Day. Oh, no one in my face or in my way. When it's time for me to fly, don't expect a long goodbye, no, 'cause I'm free.
There's his horns. Next up is his hand. Always they're Lego pieces.
That's the only way I roll. How can I put this? Well, I know you've taken on a plateful, so please don't think that I'm ungrateful.
Okay, next up are his shoes. His feet.
Set my pride aside to let you take me on this ride, but I cannot get used to being your caboose because I still like to decide where I go as well as when. If I'm never coming back again, what matters most to me is living not completely free, free and easy. Free, free and easy. So I thank you for acting on the double, and also for taking so much trouble by inviting me alone. But to me this all feels wrong. It's like you're on my back and I can get on track.
There you go.
I'm gonna leave you in the dust.
There's Seismo. Next up, Crater. On second thought, I think I'd better draw Shuff.
Hello, where are you going?
Wherever I want to, mate. I'm a free spirit. I follow the sun. Give me my Independence Day. Oh, no one in my face or in my way. When it's time for me to fly, don't expect a long goodbye, no, 'cause I'm free. Free, free, free. the only way I roll.
Okay.
How can I put this? Well, I know you've taken on a plateful, so please don't think that I'm ungrateful.
Okay, so there's his gold part on his head.
To let you take me on this ride, but I cannot get used to being your caboose because I still like to decide where I go as well as when. If I'm never coming back again, what matters most to me is living not completely free, free and easy. Free, free and easy. So I thank you for acting on the double, and also for taking so much trouble by inviting me alone. But to me this all feels wrong.
Okay.
It's like you're on my back and I can't get on track, 'cause it's not where I belong. Send me on the road again, let me feel my tires spin. Give me freedom back somehow, I'm gonna leave you in the dust.
There we go. And there's Shuff. And finally Crater.
Hello! Where are you going?
Wherever I want to, mate. I'm a free spirit. I follow the sun. Give me my end.
Okay, you see Crater has buck teeth.
No one in my face or in my way.
So he's kind of like a beaver.
Me to fly. Don't expect a long goodbye, no. 'Cause I'm free and easy. I'm just free, free and easy.
Okay.
That's the only way I roll.
Fun fact about Crater, he has a really a big hand.
How can I put this? Well, I know you've taken on a plateful, so please don't think that I'm ungrateful. You know I set my pride aside to let you take me on this ride, but I cannot get used to being your caboose because I still like to decide where I go as well as when. If I'm never coming back again, what matters most to me is living not completely free, free and easy. Free, free and easy. Free, free and easy. Free, free and easy.
Okay.
Thank you for acting on the double, and also for taking so much trouble by inviting me alone. But to me this all feels wrong. It's like you're on my back and I can't get on track, 'cause it's not where I belong. Send me on the road again, let me feel my tires spin. Give me freedom back somehow, I'm gonna leave you in the dust.
Okay, there's his foot. And much like, if you want to know about Seismo, he's got like really big feet. Okay. That is how you draw a Crater. And that's how you draw the cragsters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and leave a comment below if you're a Mixels fan. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye then.